What's good, people? My name's Matt and welcome to today's video. After months and months and months of waiting, my invitation finally got accepted for the Amazon Astro. This household robot comes in at $1,600 and is used for home monitoring. Now let's take a look at what comes in the box. So this box tells you to start here. It gives you 3 steps: to plug in the charger, to wake the Astro up, and then to follow the on-screen instructions. I'll leave some time codes in the description. It comes with a 30-day free trial to Ring Protect Pro, which basically has Astro proactively patrol your house. It investigates the activity happening, and it saves videos into your Ring's cloud storage for up to 180 days. The subscription to Ring Protect Pro is usually $200 per year. Now let's begin by opening up the charging stand. So you see here there are 2 metal contacts to charge the Astro with wire management on the back. And there's also a USB-C port right here. Don't know why that's there, since the power cable goes on the back of the device. And here we got the power cable with a cup holder, I think. Alright, now to open up Astro. But first, this tells you the button layout on top of Astro. On the left, you got an on and off button. This can be used for the mic, camera, and Astro, followed by 2 volume buttons. Now let's quickly look through the startup guide. On the left, you got the components for Astro. And on the right, you got how to start setting it up and where to place the charger. Okay, and I think I got just the place. So it looks like the best spot is to have space on the left and right side for about 1 foot and in front of it for about 5 feet. And then once we have the spot, you roll it back. Okay, and the rest tells you how the initial setup is going to start and then some privacy information. They also let you know what you can do with the Astro. Just stay tuned and we'll be checking these out in a few minutes. Okay guys, here we go. I honestly thought Astro would be a lot smaller. After seeing it in person though, it definitely had to be this big if the screen is this large. If not, the whole thing would tilt forward. Actually, another good reason is so that the wheels are larger too. This would allow it to go over raised areas in your house. It's got a decent weight to it. Hopefully it doesn't tilt over at any moment though. Here we got a closer look at the cup holder we saw. And now let's place it right in here. You guys already know my laziness level just skyrocketed right now. Look at this. Okay guys, now once you got your charging dock in place, just roll your Astro back into the dock and let it charge. I believe it should start up once it's got enough juice in it. Let's see. Alright, so it's been running for a few minutes and now it's running some diagnostics. After a few moments there, it starts to move. Alright, let me move back a bit. By the way, you can also use an Alexa Together subscription in order to take care of one of your elderly in your household. This can give you peace of mind with its fall and smoke detection capabilities. You can also get a 30-day free trial on Amazon's website. And if you want to continue, you can get it for $20 per month. Now that Astro's done with everything, let's start the process. That's me. Okay, agree and continue. Alright, this is correct. Okay, so there's 3 parts. Each part has different amount of time set to it. Alright, it's got a little video for us. You guys can skip this if you want.
Keep home closer with Astro. Here to help, whether you're home or away. Let's take a look at some of the things you can do with Astro after it gets to know you and your home. When you're away, Astro helps you stay in the know. You can use the Astro app to see a live view of each room and check in with those at home. You can also get alerts if Astro detects certain types of activity. When you're home, Astro helps you from room to room. It can bring calls and timers directly to you. Take a snack to the bedroom, or follow you with your favorite entertainment. As you listen to things like music, the screen will automatically turn to face you. Astro comes with Alexa, so when you ask it for the weather or the news, Alexa will respond. Astro can also move on its own to make sure it's always ready to help. Every now and then, it will even hang out near you, just in case you need it. And you don't have to think about the battery, because Astro recharges itself. Let's get started by welcoming Astro to your home and trying out some things together.
It looks like Astro's ready to get going. Let's start. This thing looks so cool so far. Oh wow, look, that's the periscope. Astro, dance. Damn, okay, I see you, Astro. It's got some decent dance moves. Alright, let's skip this. I don't want to make too much noise. Plus, you never know if you'll get DMCA striked. Astro, flip a coin. I love how it just looks at the coin as if it's really there. Now for part 2. I guess Astro already knows me from the invitation. I just gotta confirm my password real quick. So now it looks like we gotta set up voice ID.
Say, Astro, start patrolling the home.
Astro, start patrolling the home.
Say, Astro, what are you doing right now?
Astro, what are you doing right now?
Say, Astro, take this to the kitchen.
Astro, take this to the kitchen.
Say, Astro, can you beatbox for me?
Astro, can you beatbox for me?
Matt, it's great to put a name to the voice. I've sent information about your voice ID to the Alexa app. And if you'd like to help others get recognized on these devices, remind them to say, Astro, learn my voice.
Alright, that's good. Now you can add more voices to your Astro. Next up, looks like we gotta set up visual ID.
Let's get started by scanning your face from different angles. At each step of the way, I'll tell you which direction to look. The best place to position yourself is 3 to 5 feet away from the screen. Center your face in the camera view and press start when you're ready.
Alright, let me take a few steps back.
First, look directly at the screen. Now, tilt your head up. Look to your right. Next, tilt your head down. Look to your left.
Alright, cool. Visual ID created.
If there are more people for Astro to meet, select yes.
Nope, not right now. Looks like we're up to step 3. Let's do it. Remember, time codes are on the bottom in the description.
The app lets you control Astro with your mobile device and see what's happening at home when you're not there. With Live View, you can look around, capture photos, or check in with those at home using two-way video chat. You can even check on specific places. For example, if you think you've left the oven on, you can send Astro to it and adjust the camera height to get a better look. Astro can proactively help you monitor your home. You can even choose events to be notified about when you're away. Like if Astro sees an unknown person or detects sounds like smoke alarms or glass breaking using Alexa Guard. You can also see what Astro is doing at a glance or view a map of your home that shows you where it is and lets you send it somewhere else with a tap. Now, it's time to download the app and pair your mobile device with Astro. Then, you'll spend about 30 minutes helping Astro learn about your home. It will practice using the charger, explore your home to create the map, and ask you for a tour so it can learn your room names.
Looks like we're hopping into the app. Let me download it. Okay, somehow it knows who I am already. Now let's allow notifications. And agree and continue. Now we gotta scan the QR code on Astro. Just give it a sec to generate the QR code and then scan it.
Astro is now going to practice docking. You'll hear a sound when Astro is successfully on the charger. Please stand at least 5 feet away.
Alright, let's move on back. We'll look at the app very shortly. Wait, the mirror might be confusing it. Let's just give it a sec. Oh, okay. Looks like it didn't confuse it at all. Now it's docking perfectly.
Great. Now Astro knows where to go when the battery needs to charge. Time to explore. Astro will now learn how to get around your home. Make sure the interior doors to the rooms you want Astro to explore are open. Exterior and closet doors are closed. The floors are clear of small objects, and that Astro's path is clear of people and pets while exploring your home. Astro will return to the charger when finished. When you are ready, say Astro, start exploring.
Astro, start exploring. Alright, so I took a few minutes to clean up the room a bit, just to make sure nothing was in the way, and to make sure this goes very smoothly. I'm also just letting it explore this one area, for the sake of the video at least. I'll leave a timer up on the screen to see how long this takes to explore this one single room. Okay, I think it's done. Now it should go back to the dock, I think. Nice, perfect. It's going back. Now it's just gotta map it out. This is probably gonna take some time too. So now on the screen it says memorizing. Updating the map, this may take a few minutes. I'm gonna take this time to let you guys know that a full room tour will be coming soon, real soon. Hit that subscribe button to make sure this new setup tour video pops up on your YouTube's homepage. I've literally spent several years trying to make this room the best man cave it could possibly be. So yeah, hit that bell to know when I upload too. And just like that, exploration complete. And I think we're basically done. There's obviously more rooms in a house, so just let Astro roam around and explore. Let's see, what else is there? Okay, you can see your percentage here, and you can change brightness. You can also click on Do Not Disturb, go to Settings, go Home, and even go to Charger. Now let's move it back to the app. Alright guys, so it starts off by telling you what you guys can do in the app, but I like to get right on into it and see for myself. Once you get to the main screen, you got 4 tabs on the bottom. Starting from the left, you got Astro, Live View, Settings, and then Voice. Let's start off with the Live View. Oh, Astro just made a sound. Okay, so I see the live view on Astro itself. It still says starting soon on my phone though. Oh shit, it just hit the camera. I'm surprised it didn't even see it. Maybe it's cause it's kinda small, but it still should have been able to see the camera though. Let's run live view one more time. Okay, this is different. Before it didn't have the periscope go up and down, and it wasn't making a sound before either. So from the phone you can put the flashlight on and off. You can also tilt the screen up and down. This thing on the right here is where you control the screen angle. The response it has is kind of delayed, I'm not gonna lie. Like the app feels very laggy. You see that? It took like a couple seconds for it to catch up. Anyways, the left side is how you control your periscope. I just love that this is an actual feature. It'll be so helpful in case you gotta check on like a stovetop for example. Or maybe you forgot something on the kitchen counter. Now you're going to be able to check it. On the app, you can also teach Astro certain things. For example, you can let it know specific door names and even window names. Let's say you have a dog that loves to play with toilet paper. You can go ahead and ask Astro to check if you left the door open for the bathroom. This is just one of the many things you can do with this thing. Astro. Beatbox. Astro, act like a chicken. Astro, are you hungry? Astro, cross your eyes. Astro, do the robot. So you see guys, there are so many things you can do with Astro, but is it worth $1,600? I'm not too sure about that. Let me know in the comments if you agree. But yeah, that about wraps it all up for today's video. Thanks again for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure you click on one of these to unbox some cool tech.